Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video what we're going to do is to use 1 week of products from Fresh Skinlab, which is their milk white line, which contains 4 of their products, which is this one. Ayan yung mga products nila, papakita ko sa inyo. Ayan, which includes the body soap, face and body soap, the jelly peel, yung tone-up sun cream, and their tone-up powder, which is over here. And I will show you my experiences in using these products for 1 week. And by the way, guys, just a disclaimer from my skin, I have combination and acne-prone skin due to lacerations, and acne-prone din ako due to my daily food consumption, most especially that I eat oily foods on the regular, but I do drink veggie juice. So, yun yung daily consumption ko ng food, most especially. I also drink vitamin C, antioxidants, and collagen in order to just maintain my body, most especially that we are in a pandemic right now. So right now, I'm going to show you, or I'm going to describe or give you the claims of each product and how it is priced. I'm really interested in trying these products, most especially that their skincare milk white line is very interesting, most especially that milk protein extracts are helpful in hydrating and most especially moisturizing your skin. But what interests me in using these products is their shampoo and conditioner. Naalala nyo ba guys, yung bumili ako ng shampoo conditioner nila, which is their bundle sa kanilang Watsons. Nung ginamit ko siya for the first day, talaga malalaman mo talaga na first time ko lang magkaroon ng soft and very moisturized na hair. Like, super ganda ng hair ko ngayon. Like, I'm telling you that how good is that shampoo and conditioner that I've been using right now, which is their milk white line. Talagang it really moisturized and hydrated my hair. Like, super soft and very affordable. Very affordable siya. Like, I'm really telling you that it's very affordable pag nabili yung bundle, and it's really worth your money, and talagang I can really tell it, and I can vouch for their products, most especially their shampoo conditioner. I rave their shampoo conditioner, and that's why I wanted to try the Fresh Skinlab Milk White Line. So if you want to know my full thoughts about these products and using this for a week, please stay tuned for the whole video. The Fresh Skinlab Milk White Skincare line contains 4 products that are helpful into having a brightened and moisturized skin. The first product that we're going to show you is the Whip Foaming Face and Body Soap, which is to help in brightening your skin with every wash. It is enriched with milk protein extracts, glutathione, AHA, and BHA, which gently exfoliates and lifts away deep-seated dirt and residue from your face. Its gentle formula soothes irritated skin and locks in moisture for naturally healthy, milky, and smooth skin. The second product from their skincare milk white line is their brightening jelly peel. The brightening jelly peel helps in having a quick fix for bright and glowing skin. It is also enriched with milk protein extracts, AHA and BHA, and helps in exfoliating or lifting away dead skin cells, blackheads, and other impurities without irritating your skin. This also improves the appearance of pores, evens out skin complexion, locks in moisture, leaving a healthy, milky, smooth skin after every use. This jelly peel is much softer and less scratchy than the other standard scrubs that you see in the local market. For the third product is the Tone Up Sun Cream. The Fresh Milk White Tone Up Sun Cream has SPF of 30, which helps in brightening your skin in an instant with this Tone Up Sun Cream. Each use not only enhances your skin, but also targets dull and dry areas of your face. It is formulated with key ingredients that work together to fight early signs of sun damage, soothes irritated skin, and blurs the appearance of pores. Its natural milk protein extracts gently lock in your skin's needed moisture for a smooth and noticeably fairer skin. The next product is the Tone Up Powder. It's claimed that the Tone Up Powder gives you an instant glow while keeping your skin shine and oil-free. Enriched with milk essence that helps nourish the skin with UV protection to keep your skin safe from sun damage. Hi everyone! So, before starting my skincare, which is the first day, gagawin ko is to put some alcohol on my hands because alam mo naman, pag tayo sure to sanitize our hands before doing skincare and after skincare. So yeah, this is the Brightening Jelly Peel and I just wanted to try it. And this is my first day in using these products, so gamitin natin like a little bit, then okay. I think ganyan kadami dapat. Yeah, it really smells like milk. And it has this jelly texture. And it has this jelly texture. Lagyan lang natin sa face natin. Nakita ko lang just to see na if ever gumagana talaga tong jelly peel. And hintayin lang natin kung gagana siya. This is the jelly peel. Like, peel. Ayan, namumuo siya guys. And rinse ko lang. Ha? Balikan ko kayo. Ayan guys, I've already tinanggal ko na yung excess like dirt and the extra like yung namumuo. Ganun pa rin yata. Pero nawala yung mostly. And what I feel, it's hydrating. It made my skin hydrated and parang ang soft niya sa skin. Like seriously, most especially pag combi ako. But I don't know if this will trigger my acne kasi may milk protein extracts. The milk white tone up cream, which is this one, their tone up sun cream. It's my first time using this kind of sun cream. What I'm going to do is just put it here on my hand and get the texture. Sana wala siyang white cast kasi super white niya. Siguro tipid lang dapat sa paggamit, pero yeah. This is the product. Dapat konti lang yata yung gamit natin na sobrang yata ako paggamit. So, that's my bad though. Okay, masyadong maraming ginamit. Dapat konti lang guys. And what I'm going to do is just massage it into the face. Oh my god, my white cast. Ay, dapat konti lang yung paggamit guys. So after doing this skincare, what I'm going to do is just to wait until mga 15 minutes para mag-set yung yung face ko, most especially the sun cream kasi medyo may white cast siya guys. So medyo hintay ko lang habang mag-subside yung white cast. Pero right now, it still looks glossy sa aking face. Like no. Right now, it looks good. Actually, moisturize my face. So I'll be right back hanggang mga 15 minutes siguro para mag-set yung sun cream and I'll be right back. Right now, sa aking face, hindi siya masyadong ng white cast sa mukha ko. Minimal lang yung white cast. So, if you're applying this kapag SPF, most especially may SPF 30 siya, syempre, let's expect na may white cast siya kasi may SPF. But I guess, minimal lang dapat yung paglagay nyo. Tone up sunscreen, SPF 30 lang siya. So, wala siyang UVA and UVB protection. So, in order to aid that, meron tayong milk white na tone up powder, which is this instant tone up powder. It has a double UVA and UVB protection. What I'm going to do is take a little bit on the palm of the hand. So what I'm going to do is just to pat it all over the face. I rarely use powder guys ha. Just take note. I don't really use powders kasi it's not my kind of thing to use powders on a daily basis because it will block my pores, but I will just apply a minimal amount. Ayan guys, yun yung mukha ko. Medyo may konting white cast kasi may SPF, pero it's still minimal. Like no joke. Pero may napahira tong unblended dito. Anyway, this is the full skincare white line. Medyo may white cast siya. And I'll just check on you on the next days na paggamit ko tong product na to and I'll give you my final thoughts.
So for the night, I also used the soap and jelly peel for the night because I just wanted to see if this can be used for the morning and night. And by the way guys, for that 1 week, I used the same routine except for my night routine because I really need to take care of my skin. So it does not solely based on the product itself. So just a little bit of disclaimer, but it does help me into taking away that exfoliation from my dead skin cells on my face. And by the way guys, I used the fresh Skinlab charcoal toothpaste which I wanted to try, and kailangan ko nang makakuha ng bagong toothpaste kasi ubos na ang aking toothpaste na Colgate. So kailangan kong palitan siya, and what I can really say that this toothpaste has a mild like freshness, and most especially hindi siya ganung katapang ng ibang brands out there.
Here are my final thoughts in using these products for a week, which is their Fresh Milk White line, and first is their Whip Foaming Face and Body Soap. But by the way guys kahit face and body soap siya, I prefer you to use this just for your face or just for your body. It really depends. Kapag ginamit nyo to sa face and body nyo, I don't really recommend kasi for me, by experience, natatransfer yung bacteria ko from my body to my face. So, as much as possible, nung ginamit ko tong product na to for the whole week, ginamit ko to just for my face. And it really does wonders because it really hydrated my skin and most especially the moisturized niya. Pero what can I say about this product? It's not really a holy grail product, but it is great for those people who can afford, and most especially napaka-affordable niya. Gagawin naman yung trabaho niya bilang isang face and body soap, most especially that it helps in cleansing and having a hydrated and moisturized skin. And the second product which I will be showing you, which I use for 1 week, is the Brightening Jelly Peel. Their Brightening Jelly Peel is also enriched with milk protein extracts, and last week, mayroon ako nagkaroon ng parang chemical burn sa aking cheeks, most especially here kasi I've been using my toner. I've been using the Rosy Glow toner for the morning and night, which is a bad idea because ang Rosy Glow toner ay isang chemical exfoliator, and nung time na yun naubusan ako ng toner to for my morning. Like last 2 weeks ago, parang siya like crumbly, pero ngayon it's more moisturized and it's more back to its own skin. Gets mo? So yeah, I've been really liking and using this brightening gel peel, and it also helps me into exfoliating my neck area, most especially na obese ako, and I have a lot of dead skin cells on my necks, which is really apparent pag obese ka or overweight ka. And I've been really liking using this for 1 week, and this brightening gel peel is a must in my skincare routine because it helps me into lifting or having a mild exfoliation onto my skin, most especially nagkaroon akong chemical burn, and it helped me into taking away that acne scars, and most especially my chemical burn which is on my left side of my face. Like I like using this for the morning and night kasi hindi siya masyadong naging drying. Kahit kiniklaim niya exfoliator siya, it really helped me into having moisturized skin. And if you're on a tight budget and gusto niyo meron kayong acne scars, mga unresolved problems or blemishes sa face mo, I really recommend this because it really helps in exfoliating your skin. But for me guys if you are sensitive or you can't use this for the daily, kasi guys, ginagamit ko to morning and night kasi for me, I have a lot of acne scars, and most especially, pero it does not really dry my skin, which is good. Pero if you want to try it, I prefer you to use like 4 times a week, just to say if your skin is really dry, siguro pwede mong gamitin to 4 times a week or 3 times a week. It really depends on you. Pero in my basis for my usage, and most especially this one, for using this for morning and night, it really helped me into lifting away that acne scars, and most especially that chemical burn on my left side of the cheek, which is a must on my skincare routine. So I will add this to my morning skincare routine. The third product from their skincare milk white line, which is the Tone Up Sun Cream. The Tone Up Sun Cream is also enriched with milk protein extracts, AHA and BHA, and also glutathione. Its sun protection is based on SPF 30. Their Tone Up Sun Cream contains zinc oxide and most especially titanium dioxide, which is really essential into having a sun cream, which is the SPF 30. what I experienced in this product, that you really don't need a moisturizer anymore, because this is just moisturizer and sun cream in one. Like, I'm really telling you that this helped me into moisturizing my face. I really like the smell. It gives you a luxurious feel without breaking the budget, most especially sa ating mga Pilipino. Kailangan natin magtipid, and most especially na dapat abot kaya natin. It's really effective into our skin. Although it has SPF 30, wala siyang UVA and UVB protection from the sun. So, speaking of UVA and UVB protection, their toner powder contains UVA and UVB protection. Toner powder from their skincare Milk White line, it instantly brightens and smoothens the skin. But guys, I didn't use this after one usage nung day first ko, kasi nag-form siya ng product acne onto my upper under eye, which I stopped in using because it might clog my pores, which it does. Nung day first na ginamit ko, talaga nagkaroon dito ng aking blockage, so most especially on my under eye. Most especially that it contains mica. So if it has mica, I really don't recommend this putting on the face, kasi it talagang evident na na-clog niya yung pores ko. So here are my final thoughts about the skincare Milk White line, which is from Fresh Skinlab. And I hope in this review I could give you some opinions, and most especially how I experienced with this product. And by the way guys hindi po ako dermatologist nor a skincare expert, but here are my experiences and using these products for 1 week. So, thank you very much for watching guys, and I hope you see you on the next video. So please make sure to like and comment down below your thoughts about using these products. Just comment down below and make sure to subscribe, and that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you on the next video. Bye!